We want to know, what do you like to drink? What is your favorite recipe?
Today we're gonna be making and tasting a cognac cocktail submitted by one of you guys.
The cocktail we're going to be making today was submitted by JC Salinas on Instagram. He's a bartender from Texas, and he recommended for us to make the Japanese cocktail.
We have very high expectations because he knows what he's doing. I've seen his Instagram.
The Japanese cocktail is not an original, but he gave us his take on it, and that's the recipe we're gonna be using today.
So this cocktail calls for cognac. We're gonna be using Branson's VSOP. If you guys wanna make this at home, make sure to order a bottle from bottleboat.com. Let's get right into this recipe. We're gonna show you how to make it, and then we're gonna taste it. Cheers to you, JC Salinas. Ooh, that's good.
That's nice.
This is like sit by the fire and be really fancy as hell with your cognac. I can taste the orange. I really like that.
I could taste the cognac. The cognac is coming in hot.
Yeah.
It's strong.
This is a cognac big boy drink. Or big girl,
Big
you know.
woman drink, you know.
Can you taste the orgeat?
Yeah, you taste it. I think I might add a little bit more.
A little more?
I think I would add a little more. But
Yeah, maybe.
she's still good.
Yeah, she's good. She's good. This is thirsty approved, baby.
Good job, JC.
We like it.
If you want us to make your cocktail, comment below. We might pick you next.
Ooh, who will we pick?
next?
Who's next? Thank you, next.